What's going on, everyone? It's Mr. West. I hope we're all well. So after a short wait, I finally got my hands on the OnePlus Bullets Wireless. These are hot property at the moment. They're very, very high in demand and short in supply. It's really great to finally get my hands on these because I was very impressed by what I heard at the OnePlus 6 launch event, and it'd be good to use these now in everyday usage to see how they fare with the abuse that they get in and out of bags and pockets and put on tables and what have you, and see how they sound and how they stand up to daily tasks. So we're going to get into the unboxing camera now and take a closer look at what's in the package, and also go through some of the features and the pairing process and show you what they're all about. Alright, so here they are, the Bullets Wireless from OnePlus. So I've actually taken a look at these already at the OnePlus 6 launch event and had a good listen to those in one of the sound booths there. But as in any kind of event like that, there's lots of background music. There was a DJ playing there. There was a lot of people chattering and a lot of people waiting for a demo of these as well. They were very, very popular. And I can see why. At £69, they comfortably undercut something like the Beats Wireless or Beats X Wireless. So it'd be interesting to see how these fare in everyday life. So we'll just take a quick look around the box. So it's the standard kind of OnePlus packaging. Got the white box with the embossed OnePlus logo there, and this is kind of a raised illustration on the front, which is nice, feels good. On the back here, we just got some information about the product itself, so we just looked at that very quickly. So product name is OnePlus Bullets Wireless. Obviously, they come in one color only at the moment, which is black. They're in-ear style. They've got an inline remote. The impedance is 32 ohms. It's quite high for this kind of headphone, but they are Bluetooth, so their own amplification built in. The sound pressure level is 97 decibels. They've got 3 milliwatt rated power, and their frequency range is pretty standard, 20 to 20,000 hertz. So they should go pretty low, and you can tune them with the inbuilt audio tuner anyway. So that is it for the box. So let's just get into these and see what it's all about. All right, so cool. So you've got like a two-stage box. That's cool. I do like this illustration here. So that's the illustration. The Bullets Wireless are actually there. That is them. That is the actual product. So that's a nice touch. It's really cool. And again, this is like a raised illustration as well, which does look and feel very, very nice. So in here, I've got the included carry case, which we'll take a look at in a second. It's got some replacement ear tips here and also some wings as well, so that helps them to stay in the ears for longer. And we've got this very nice included red silicone pouch. So it does feel very similar to the silicone case which comes for the OnePlus 6. So that is a nice touch. There's no zip or anything. It's just this pop open style with a magnet clasp there at the top, as you can see. And inside we've got the Type-C power cable as well. So it's nice to see a Type-C cable included in the box. It's good to see manufacturers such as OnePlus moving away from micro USB, because, you know, the whole having to put it in the right way and all that does get very annoying. Pull this out of here. So free your music, created together with our fans. How nice. All right, so nice opening experience. So we've got a user guide in here as well. Okay, so they are the Bullets Wireless. You've got this neck band here, which obviously put on the back of your neck, and then we've got the Type-C input there for recharging. So OnePlus tells us that 10 minutes of charge is enough to get you 5 hours of playback. That is pretty cool. So you can see the Bullets Wireless here. So let's just take a quicker look. So the construction is this kind of plastic style. I do like the kind of mirrored effect there you get on the end. You can just see that pattern inside of that. That looks nice. And the included ear tips and the wing is already included. So tend to find the ones that are actually put on generally good for most ear sizes. They're in-ear style. Now it's very important that you get the size of your ear tip right, because it's for better bass response. If you put too small on there, they're not going to get a good seal in your ear canal, and that means you're going to be losing the best type of quality. So the other one is the same, so nothing on that one. Whoops. And then we've got the embossed OnePlus logo, which is being put onto the, this is the obviously the guts of the earphones, and you've got a play pause button there as well, and nothing on that side. And also it's just repeated this side. There is nothing on there. It's just obviously a bit of symmetry which goes together there. So I do like the feel of this. It's got a nice kind of soft touch material around the whole wire, which is very nice. It does feel like that could be up to lots of bending and stretching as well, so that is cool. So you probably just noticed there at the bottom of the image that these are magnetic. So at the OnePlus event, what they explained was, once these are closed like that, music is stopped. If you want to start your music, just pull apart, and as long as they're connected to your OnePlus 6 or 3, 3T, 5, 5T, what have you, the music will start, and then you just pop them back together and music will stop. Similarly, if you wanted to take a call or disconnect a call, you just simply pull open and the call will start, and then push together and your call will end. So that is really, really cool. So they've got aptX technology. So if you don't know what aptX is, aptX allows for a higher frequency pass through from your phone to the earphones, allowing you to have a better quality of sound. Earbuds that don't use that kind of technology, they tend to have quite a shrill kind of top end, I find. It's not bad, but you can definitely tell a difference when you go from ones without aptX to ones that have got technology. All right, so to pair the OnePlus Bullets Wireless, you just switch these on. So you use this small part of the remote here. So if you just push this button, you'll see the LED will come on white, and now it's soft glow flashing. So we just go pair new device. So we can see OnePlus Bullets Wireless comes up at the top. So we just tap to pair. Got a message from Lord Crispy telling me all about the problems he's having filming his video for the TicWatch. Hi Roger. Bye Roger. So now the Bullets Wireless are paired, you do get some options in the menu here. So we've got autoplay, so automatically resume playback when connecting earphones, smart answer for Bluetooth, call information broadcast, notification ringtone in headphones, and now this is an interesting one, Bluetooth absolute volume, auto sync headset and device volume when connected in Bluetooth. So when you switch that on, what that does is synchronizes the volume from the phone with the headset, so each volume step is identical on both. What I do find is switch that off first and then push the volume all the way up on the earphones until you hear a beep, and then these are their maximum volume and power, and then switch this on so you get the maximum power output from these earphones, and then everything is synchronized as well when you've got music playing. So that is that menu there. And what you can also do as well is use these with Google Smart Lock. So as a trusted device to keep this device unlocked when it's nearby, add OnePlus Bullets Wireless as a trusted device. So basically what that means is if you've got your phone and your headset nearby, at your own risk, you can switch this off, and that means you bypass your fingerprint or face unlock on your device. So as I said, do use that at your own risk. So perhaps if you're staying in a hotel room, if you're in your bedroom or lounge or what have you, and you know that nobody else is going to be there to unlock your device, then you can use that function. I do use it now and again. However, do be careful when you're using it. If your phone is stolen and your headset is also stolen, someone's going to be able to get into your phone and get over your personal data. So as I say, use that at your own risk. So we're just going to verify that with fingerprint, and that is added. So the headphones are now operational. So as I said earlier on in the video, you can use these to automatically start and stop music. So we'll just get the music player on. So if I show you the display at the top, so you just look at the top right hand corner, what you should be looking for is the battery state. So if I just open them, and then you see the battery indicator. If we close them, battery indicator disappears. If we open again, and that gives us the battery status. So these are down about 30%, so these have been charged just a little bit from factory just to get them working, but that is a neat feature, and you can also use that for calls, so you can answer and end calls, answer, end. Now I did admit this in the first part of the unboxing, I do apologize. You do have an inline remote here as well, so you've got a play, pause or answer, end call, and you've got the volume up and volume down buttons as well. The only concern I've got is the amount of stress this is going to have. If you look at that, there's a lot of wire with these. I mean, we did joke during the presentation for these that they're very wiry for a wireless headset. So again, there's no less wires or no more than what you get with the Beats X Wireless, but if you look at these wires here, if they get pulled on or snagged or caught in a bag or something, my concern is that they're possibly going to get snagged and snapped, maybe. I'm not sure. We'll have to test these over time. The build quality is good, but again, I'm not really too sure how long that's going to live up to constant in and out of bags and pockets and stuff. So do be very careful if you're buying these. You do get this quite long dangly piece of wire, and again, it does seem to be, I'm not sure, it does seem a little bit fragile, that's all. Okay, so we'll just show the volume in action. There you can see it there, and then you can click to play and pause music. You can see that working there, and then we can double press for next song, so we'll just play the music. So double press, that'll take you to your next track, and again. Now there is no option to reverse the song, so perhaps that'll be in a future update, I'm not particularly sure. But you can then long press for Google Assistant. Hey Google, what's the weather for next week? And then we get our Google information. So that's pretty good. Again, for £69, really can't go wrong. Again, I would have liked the option to reverse tracks as well, or scrub at the same time, but I've not tested a huge amount of earphones which have that facility. It's all about convenience, and I think these have all the features that you'll need at the price point for your daily usage and your headphones. So that is it. That is the Bullets Wireless unboxing done and dusted. I'm going to go away now and test these for a week or so to see how they fare in my daily usage. It will be interesting to see how they fare against the OnePlus Silver Bullet wired headset. Now they're just £15, those are, but they are absolutely amazing earbuds at any price. The sound is fantastic, so it would be good to see how these wireless versions, although they're not a direct replacement for those, it would be good to see how they fare against and how they compare to them. So if you've got any questions about today's video, then please leave those in the comments and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and also if you haven't already, I upload every single week, so do consider subscribing so you don't miss further content coming very, very soon. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social channels popping up on screen right now and ask me any questions, and also you can see all of my updates and photos from these as the weeks go on. So thanks very much for watching, everyone. My name's Mr. West and I will catch you guys later.